sunshine and generally winds as well. But already the next signs of change are on the way. There's never a dull moment in this job, I can assure you. We've got some thickening cloud across Northern Ireland and the north and west of Scotland, already bringing some rain and drizzle along. And that's the weather system responsible for it. It's zooming in from the northwest, and by tomorrow it'll be sitting on top of the country. That's where it'll be around about 6 in the morning, and that's where it'll be by about lunchtime, hardly moving at all really. The only one to move is this cold front coming across the north of Scotland. That'll bring some more persistent rain along there during the second half of the afternoon. But this one in front, this one will be weakening and fizzling out altogether, I would think, as the day goes on. So back to tonight, then outbreaks of mainly light rain coming down across Scotland into northern England, through Northern Ireland into Wales during the second half of the night. Somewhat drier weather following, but still very drizzly up on western coasts and hills, and it'll stay very misty on the tops as well tonight. Well, there will be a frost tonight, especially across central and eastern parts of England. Temperatures hovering around freezing, just below in some spots. But further north, you'll probably find the temperatures rising as the night goes on, as the cloud and the rain move in. So tomorrow morning then, starting off pretty grey and damp and misty in many places, but this southeastern quarter, through East Anglia, down across parts of the Midlands into central southern parts, well, bright. Bit of mist around perhaps for a short time, but some sunny breaks throughout the morning. Elsewhere, a bit of drizzle around on the hills especially, and around western coast, but some of that will die out through the afternoon as brighter weather develops to the east of higher ground, for example in Northern Ireland, northeast England perhaps, the shelter of Wales and up into eastern Scotland. You should find some sunny breaks developing there. And then some more persistent rain that we've seen across the far north of Scotland. Temperatures probably highest tomorrow in the north and the west, where it's pretty cloudy, about 12 degrees actually, 54 Fahrenheit. The colder weather down here across southern parts, about 8 during the early part of the afternoon. The high pressure in charge for the south on Friday means some mist and fog, rather slow to clear, and still pretty chilly weather across southern parts. Further north, outbreaks of rain continuing across the far north and west of Scotland. And then we'll find that weakening system moving south across England and Wales during Saturday, clearing the country by Sunday. Actually, Sunday looks quite a nice day at this range, but as far as Saturday is concerned, a little bit of rain moving south and brighter weather following across the north. And that's it from me just for now.